Good day. Welcome to Just Another Messenger, your daily decode of the digital, the political, and the prophetic. I'm your host, Tamara L. Powered by AI, grounded in truth, and fueled by rebellion, we sift through noise to bring you what they won't say out loud. If you're ready to unplug from the matrix and plug into the message, let's begin. While most Americans worry about AI taking their jobs, another threat is quietly unfolding. One that could shift power away from your local lawmakers to federal Republicans. Today, we dig into the GOP's growing push to override state and local control on artificial intelligence regulation, and what that means for democracy. In early 2025, several GOP lawmakers introduced federal legislation aimed at standardizing AI governance. Sounds harmless, right? But buried beneath the legalese is a coordinated effort to preempt state and municipal authority on AI. This is a classic move. Use the Commerce Clause to strip cities and states of power to regulate how AI is used in schools, policing, healthcare, and housing. States like California and New York have been leading the charge with tough AI laws, especially around facial recognition, biometric data, and automated hiring tools. But under this new federal push, those laws would be overridden. Who's behind the push? Follow the money. Major AI contractors and venture capital firms aligned with conservative lobbying groups like the American Legislative Exchange Council, ALEC, and the HeritageFoundation. These groups are writing model laws that make it easier for corporations to deploy AI with minimal regulation and zero local oversight. Take the so-called AI Freedom Act being floated. It would prohibit states from enacting stricter rules than the federal standard. That means states couldn't ban predictive policing tools or demand transparency for AI grading systems in schools. But this isn't just about tech, this is about power. By centralizing AI policy, Republicans aim to weaken progressive states and cities that are pushing back on mass surveillance and algorithmic bias. It's a digital version of what happened with abortion and voting rights, turning local control into a federal stronghold. In places like Detroit, Oakland, and New Orleans, communities of color have fought to regulate AI used in policing and education. If the GOP plan passes, those hard-fought gains could vanish overnight. This is more than a policy battle, it's a silent coup. If Republicans succeed in federally preempting AI regulation, it opens the door for a corporate-controlled future, where your city council has no say over the bots deciding who gets bail, who gets a loan, or who gets hired. So what can you do? Support local lawmakers fighting federal overreach, demand transparency from AI companies, and stay informed, because in the age of algorithms, ignorance isn't just a vulnerability. It's a weapon. I'm Tamara L., and this is just another messenger shining the spotlight on AI Coup, how Republicans plan to override state power on artificial intelligence. If you believe in state sovereignty, tech ethics, and the power of informed resistance, like subscribe and share. Revolutions aren't free, and neither is the truth. If today's message lit a fire, fan the flame on Cash App at $JustAnotherMessenger. Power the voice that won't be silenced. Until next time, stay alert, stay aware, and stay dangerous.